Hey, what's up guys? That's the Pie Bitch again with you in another new video. So this is a 4-meme bundler, okay? So I have already set up the token in the config, okay? So if you need this bot, so I will let you know how to do all those things, okay? But this is the most fastest bot and you can literally bundle your token and make some good money. So this is not a financial advice. I'm not going to give you any financial advice. This is a paid script. If you need it, let me know. Okay? And if you are fucking weak with the English, so just translate this video to some other language. Thank you. And now it's just like we have to start the script again. So let's check it out the balance. Oh fuck! Right now we don't have token. So balance is skip. Okay. Here you go. So this is just the balances of the account, okay, and this is the buy amounts. You can configure this one, like you can change, you can edit, so you can change it to whatever you want, okay. But I have funded these accounts with my mixer, okay, which is gonna bypass 100% the bubble maps. So now let's do it, okay. Let's quickly do this. So let's type 3. It's gonna create our token and it will be here. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, the token is ready right now. Token address is this one. Let's go. Still not here. Oh fuck, this is taking time, ages. Let's refresh. I need the fucking token, like, it's very easy peasy. But right, let's fucking shit. So let me just copy from here. It's gonna be much more easy. Yeah, it's in here. As you guys can see here right now, I have bundle, okay. So don't worry about this one because this guy is always get out, okay, very easily. And if you are using the MEVR PC, so like he is not a threat. So he just get in and get out, so just like on zero blocks, so he doesn't affect all our transactions in here. So as you can see here, okay, so all our transactions land on the first block 000 is 983 ED3 and E3. So let me show you. It's in here. Okay, let me just copy this one. Okay, and okay, so look at this, and 983 983 and ED3 and EFD3, so EFD3, so all of them. And about this guy, so you should not worry about him because he's not a threat, and he's just like a kind of maybe insider or something. But he just buy and sell, like even for loss, and our transactions are just completely awesome. It's just like our transaction went through first, and then the other guys come around. So now let's sell. Okay, so let's say 4. Just a minute. Okay, we have sold right now, so let's check it out. Yeah, in here, as you can see here, the fastest sold. So yeah, this board is ready as well. If you need it, let me know. And if you have some problem about this guy, so we can also tackle him. It's not a big deal. So but probably he's not a threat. And if you want to overcome him, so we have also a technique how to do. It's gonna be just like you're gonna use like a MEVR PC, so then he won't be apparent here as well. So here you go, everything is clear, and we were the first and we have sold it as well. So this is the 4 meme bundler for 2026. If you need it, let me know. Thank you.